Assalamu alaikum. My name is Imdad Jaina Binte, metric number 249882. Now I am going to present about topic 8. In topic 8, the first section is connectivity. There are 5 networking elements which are creating a connected world. The 5 elements are network categories, network providers, network access technologies, network protocols, and network convergence. In network categories, there are 3 types of network categories. The first one is local area network. This network system connects with a group of computers in close proximity, such as in an office building, school, or home. The second one is wide area networks. 1. These network categories spans a large geographic area, for example, a state or a country. The third one is metropolitan area networks. This is a large computer network which widely spans in a city. After that, there is network providers. There are 3 types of network providers. The first one is national service providers. These service providers is a company that owns, operates or sells access to internet backbone infrastructure and services. The second one is network access point. A network access point is a major point where internet service providers can connect with one another in a peering arrangement. And the third one is regional service providers. A regional service provider offers internet service by connecting to an SP, but they can also connect directly to each other. Okay, after that there is network protocols. In network protocols there are 3 types. The first one is protocol. A protocol is a standard that specifies the format of data as well as the rules to be followed during transmission. And the second one is transmission control protocol or internet protocol, TCP or IP. It provides the technical foundation for the public internet as well as for large number of private networks. And the last one is domain name system. It converts address into domains. Thank you very much. That's all for me. Now my friend will continue.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fakhrul Syafiq bin Roslan. My metric number 252989. So I will continue this presentation. Internet domain. If there is one flaw in TCP IP, it is the complexity of IP address. That is why we use a domain name system DNS to convert IP address into domain or identifying label that use a variety of recognizable naming conventions. Therefore, instead of trying to remember 97.17.237, user can simply specify a domain name to access a computer or website, such as www.apple.com. Benefits of network converge. Network converge, the efficient coexistence of telephone, video, and data communication within a single network, offering convenience and flexibility not possible with separate infrastructure. In part due to explosive use of the internet and connectivity of TCP/IP, there is a convergence of network device, application and service. Consumers, gaming, educational institution and government agency extensively engage in texting, web surfing, video conference, application and online gaming. Network convergence divided into 2 parts, multiple service, internet access, VoIP and IPTV. And another one provider. There is one bill, one point of contact, one consumer support center. So next, network converge, unified communication (UC). That means the integration of communication channel into a single service. Peer-to-peer (P2P), a computer network that relies on the computing power and bandwidth of the participant in the network rather than a centralized server. Voice over Internet Protocol (VoIP) use IP technology to transmit telephone call. Almost any type of information can be converted into digital form and exchanged over a network. Network convergence then allow the weaving together of voice, data, and video. The benefit of network convergence allow to multiple service, multiple device, but one network, one vendor, and one bill. Internet Protocol TV, IPTV, distribute digital video content using IP across the internet and private IP network. So, what is the benefits of a connected world? Network offer many advantages for a business, including sharing on resources, providing opportunities, and reducing travel. There have been many network security problems. Networks are a tempting target for mischief and fraud. An organization has to be concerned about proper identification of user and authorization of network access, the control of access, and the protection of data integration. Using the VPN, the primary resources of sharing include intranet, extranet, and virtual private network (VPN). Intranet, a restricted network that relies on internet technologies to provide an internet-like environment within the company for information sharing, communication, collaborating, web publishing, and the support of business process. Extranet, an extension of intranet that is only available to authorized outsiders such as customers, partners, and suppliers. Virtual private network (VPN), companies can establish direct private network link among themselves and create private security internet access in accept a private tunnel within the internet. So next, challenging of a connected world. Network create a diverse, globally connected world, eliminate time and distance, which make it possible to communicate in way not previously imaginable. Even though network provide many business advantage, they also increase a challenge in society, in security, social, ethical, and political issue. Security SSL certificate, a network document that confirms the identity of a website or server and verifies that a public key belongs to a trustworthy individual or company. Security Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTPS), a combination of HTTP and SSL to provide encryption and security identification of an internet server. So, next, social, ethical, and political issue. Digital divide, a worldwide gap giving advantage to those with access to a technology. Only a small fraction of the world population has access to internet, and some people who have had access in the past have lost it due to change in their circumstances such as unemployment or poverty. Providing internet access to those who want or need it help to level the playing level and remove the digital divide, a worldwide gap giving advantage to those with access to technology.
Contoh 4. Okay. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Bahudin. My metric number is 247266. Okay, now I will continue presentation about the chapter 8. Okay, net about the wireless network category. Wireless network category have 4. First, personal area network. Second, wireless LAN. Next, wireless MAN. And lastly, wireless WAN. Okay, we move to the first category is personal area network. Personal area network (PAN) is provide communication over a short distance that is intended for us with devices that are on and operated by a single user. For example, Bluetooth. Bluetooth is wireless PIN technology that transmits signal over short distance between cell phone, computer, and other devices. Next, wireless LAN. Wireless LAN, a local area network that use radio signal to transmit and receive data over distance of a few hundred feet. For example, is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a means by which portable devices can connect wireless to a local area network. User access phone that send and receive data via radio wave. Okay, next. Next, wireless MAN. Wireless MAN is a more metropolitan area network that use radio signal to transmit and receive data. Example wireless MAN is next. Aku yang tak ada.
Bayar kat situ kan?
Wireless MAN is a metropolitan area network that use radio signal to transmit and receive data. In wireless MAN, we have WiMAX infrastructure, worldwide interoperability for microwave access, WiMAX, communication technology aimed at providing high-speed wireless data over metropolitan area network. Okay, and lastly is wireless WAN. Wireless WAN is a wide area network that use radio signal to transmit and receive data. For example, wireless WAN is a smartphone. Is offer more advanced computing ability and connectivity than basic cell phone. Next, 3G, a service that bring wireless broadband to mobile phone. And lastly, streaming, a method of sending audio and video file over the internet. That's all about me. Okay, that's all about the 4 wireless network category. Okay, next we to move the protecting wireless connection. We have 3 protecting wireless connection. First, wire equivalent privacy, WEP, is an encryption algorithm designed to protect wireless transmission data. Second, wire choking, the practice of tagging pavement with code displaying where Wi-Fi access is available. And lastly, while driving is deliberately searching for Wi-Fi signal while driving by in a vehicle. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Susah
Okay,
lah
now we
sebutan
continue with me, Muhammad Hanif Azwan bin Abdul Khalid, number matric 246740. Okay, now we continue with business application of wireless network. Okay, in this business application of wireless network, we have 3. Okay, first one is radio frequency identification, which is RFID. Okay, and second is GPS. GPS is a global positioning system. And then for the 3 is geographic information system, GIS. Okay, now we go through with RFID. What is RFID? Okay, RFID is the user's electronic tag and label to identify object wireless over short distance. Okay, now we go through to the GPS. Okay, GPS is a satellite-based navigation system providing extremely accurate position, time and speed information. And third is the GIS. Okay, GIS is consists of the hardware, software and data that provide location information for display on a multi-dimensional maps. Okay, GIS is the location-based service. Okay, location-based service is application that use location information to provide a service. Okay, now we go through the benefit of business mobility. Okay, the first one is the enhance the mobility and then provide immediate data access and increase location and monitoring capability, improve workflow, provide mobile business and opportunity, provide alternative to wiring. Okay, and then the challenge of business mobility is the protecting against thief, protecting wireless connection, preventing virus on a mobile device, and lastly, addressing privacy concern with RFID and LBS. They're all for our team. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we continue to the benefit of business mobility. Okay, the first one of the benefit is enhance mobility, and then provide immediate data access and increase location and monitoring capability, improve workflow, provide mobile business opportunity, and provide alternative to wiring. Okay, next we go through the challenge of business mobility. Okay, what the challenge? Okay, the challenge of the business mobility is the protecting against thief. Okay, and then protecting wireless connection, and then business mobility is preventing virus on a mobile device, and lastly, addressing privacy concern with RFID and LBS. That's all from us. Enjoy.